let's implement this pass inline method so we can obtain the children of the heading element. This method will accept an input as its argument, and this input is going to be a string. It will return an array of AST nodes. I will declare a tokenizer property on the parser class. We will use this tokenizer to tokenize the input by calling the tokenize inline method. This method tokenizes only inline text that is the child of a node. Remember, I told you that this tokenize inline method will not be called directly. Instead, it's going to be used by the parser class. I will create an array of nodes, which is an array of AST nodes. Then I will create a current variable, which is a number, and it's going to be equal to 0 for now. I will add a while loop that will run as long as we have not consumed all the tokens. And inside this loop, I will obtain the current token and check its type using a switch statement. If the token is a space, then I will push a new node whose type is text and the value will be space. If there's no match, then we push a new warning, unexpected inline token, into the warnings array. If the token is a text, then we push a new node whose type is text and the value will be the token.value. After the switch statement, I will increment current by 1, and after the loop, I will return the nodes array. We need to implement one more method before the parser is complete, and this is the pass tokens method. This method will accept an array of tokens and it will return an object. This AST property will be an array of AST nodes. It will also have a warning property, which is an array of strings. Inside this method, I will set this.tokens to be equal to the tokens argument. This.ast will be equal to an empty array, and this.warnings will also be equal to an empty array. I will add a while loop that will iterate until we have consumed all the tokens from the token array, and I will create a node variable that stores the result of calling the pass block method. Remember, the pass block method will attempt to pass a block level token, and if this token is not null, I will push it inside the AST array. After the while loop, I will return an object with an AST property which is equal to this.ast and a warnings property which is equal to this.warnings. Let's test this parser out by instantiating the parser class. I will call parser.passTokens with the tokens variable, and then I will console log the last variable, which you can observe that we get a nice object with an AST property. If I console log AST0.children, you will observe that this is the children of the first node, and we get an array of nodes where each node is a letter in the corresponding header text. Let's try to pass text strings into a paragraph element. I will